Today we're testing out Konbini hacks. Some that you've seen online, some that only the locals know. And we're gonna be testing out hacks from 7-Eleven to Family Mart to Lawson, sandwiches with a twist, ramen upgrades, and even some mashups that you've probably never thought of before. With the help of a special guest, a Japanese convenience store tour guide, believe it or not, is gonna be joining me today. And he is a self-professed convenience store lover, and he definitely knows a thing or two about Japanese convenience store culture. So I can't wait to meet him. But before we go, don't forget to subscribe for more Japan adventures like this one, and don't forget to check out byfood.com to book a restaurant or tour when you're in Japan. All right, let's go meet our convenience store expert for today. First stop, Lawson. Let's go. Hi.
Hello.
You must be Ryo.
Yes, I am.
Nice
How
to
are
meet you. I'm
Nice to meet you.
Shizuka.
Nice to meet you.
Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Onegaishimasu.
That's the first time I've done a yoroshiku onegaishimasu with a handshake. I love it. So, Ryo, you actually do a convenience store food tour.
Yes,
is that
I
right?
do.
And do you do any other tours, or what else do you do in
Well, I do the food tour in the daytime,
Mhm.
and I also have another tour in the night time in Ginza. And I take the people to the 3 different places, like izakaya hopping style.
That's amazing. But for today, I hear that you are going to be taking me to try some food hacks
Oh
at
yeah, in the convenience store.
I cannot wait.
Me neither.
So our first stop is actually right in front of us. It's Lawson. So we'll head over there.
That's my favorite.
Your favorite?
Yeah.
I think mine too, actually. Oh,
Okay.
good. All right, we'll see what we can find at Lawson.
Yeah, let's go.
I've always loved how food brings people together, and sharing has always been at the heart of what byFood does. Especially in times like these, when many people face economic challenges, every act of kindness matters even more. So this autumn, byFood is strengthening their Food for Happiness program, where 10 additional meals will be donated to children in need on top of what is already donated through each booking on byfood.com. Plus, we're also thinking about you. If you book more than once during October or November, then byFood will give you 1,000 yen off your next foodie adventure. And I don't know about you, but that's definitely a journey that I want to be a part of. So join me in savoring the flavors of Japanese autumn and spread some kindness along the way. All right, back to the video. All right, we have our ingredients to make our first Konbini hack, which is ramen.
Chili tomato, melting cheese,
Melting cheese.
boiled egg, and then we mixed on top of the chili tomato before we boil in the hot water.
Amazing.
And after that, we added the milk on the top.
Love it. It looks incredible. Oh my gosh.
Mhm.
All right, I'm gonna give it a try.
Yes, please.
Tomato, chili, milk, cheese, and egg. Here you go. Itadakimasu.
Onegaishimasu. Oh yeah?
What the heck? That is such a good combination. First of all, like the noodles are already really good. They're kind of nice little curly noodles. And then the creaminess of the milk really complements the tomato chili
Yeah,
flavor.
exactly.
It's not very spicy. It's like a little slight hint of chili. It's like a tomato cream sauce pasta vibes. Thank you for introducing. This is genius.
This is what exactly I eat at the midnight. It's a secret, but I just like before I go sleep, I get hungry and I do this by my own.
While you're
Can't wait to eat anyway. I will eat anyway.
Doso, doso. And I'll drink my milk. What? Yeah.
I don't know.
Psycho.
This is so good.
This is a really good hack. So our next hack is
Yeah, this is actually the citric acid drink.
Ooh. So it's like lemon
Lemon.
citrus flavor, okay?
And also I have here vitamin jelly with peach flavor. So these 2 of the product is good for health to help the recovery. So I used to drink only this, but it was too sour.
Ooh.
So I come up with the idea with the sweet peach flavored jelly.
Ooh, okay.
So I thought it's a good combination. And then wherever you go at a convenience store, you can have the ice cube cap. So you can put everything in it and then make an original drink. Yeah.
All right, so let's see how it tastes.
So we smell lemon.
It smells like straight lemon juice. We'll drink this on its own.
Yeah.
Wait, can I have a sip and
course,
see
of
how
course,
it tastes
yeah.
on its own?
I want to see her reaction.
Oh, okay. That's it's very sour. It's a tiny bit sweet.
Yep.
So it's definitely not straight lemon juice, but it's close to it. Okay, but so we're gonna make it a little easier to drink. Whoa, that's still really sour. But there is a very pleasant peach aftertaste now. And you get the jelly texture when you sip it through the straw.
Exactly.
Which is really fun. Nice hack. I love it. Thank you, Ryo-san. 2 really good hacks already.
Yep.
And I have to say that I feel like you've really opened my world to what you can do with Konbini food items. And we still have more to discover.
Yeah.
So let's go to the next Konbini store.
One.
Let's go. Oh, here we are.
Yes, we are. It is 7-Eleven.
Next stop, 7-Eleven. Amazing.
Actually, 7-Eleven is the first convenience store in Japan, which is born in 1974 in Toyosu, which is still there.
Very cool.
And also 7-Eleven is the highest number of the convenience store in Japan.
That's awesome. Okay, I love 7-Eleven. I'd say most people in Japan are always going to 7-Eleven.
Of course.
And it's so different from the American or North American 7-Elevens. If you've never seen a Japanese 7-Eleven before, it will blow your mind. They sell everything that you could possibly need.
You can get it whatever you like.
And do they do any special collaborations at 7-Eleven?
Especially the 7-Eleven, they collaborate with a Japanese dollar shop. It's called a Daiso. So you probably get some product from Daiso in 7-Eleven.
That's amazing. I actually didn't know that they
It is very
Daiso.
useful.
Very cool. Well, let's go inside and we'll see what kind of food hacks we can get today. Let's go. All right, so we have our hacks. Let's start with the drink hack that you have today.
Okay.
Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
So I got a mango smoothie and with hyoketsu, which is a Japanese alcohol without any sugar in it.
Ooh,
it's a lemon flavor.
And it's a chuhai, right?
Chuhai, this
okay.
chuhai.
Type of drink called chuhai. Nice.
Yes. So people come to the 7-Eleven to buy the smoothie. They have a lot of different flavor, but I use this not for the smoothie. I use this as an ice cube, and I will pour the chuhai into the mango smoothie ice cube and make it my personal favorite alcohol drink.
Whoa, that's actually really, really clever. I've never seen anybody use them as ice cubes. That's genius.
So the point is, as soon as you pour the drink, gotta wait a little minute.
Okay.
Until this ice cube starting to melting.
Right.
That gives you an extra flavor. So you gotta wait a little minute, and then you can drink it.
Oh, that is very nice. That is a nice blend of this chuhai flavor with the freshness and acidity of the lemon with a little bit of the sweetness of the mango. Just a very gentle sweetness.
Exactly.
This is definitely a great choice.
And if the person who likes the more sweeter, then you can change the chuhai. If you pick the more flavorful chuhai, like grapefruits or grape, we have apples, then it's more sweeter. So it depends on how much you like the sweetness, or you doesn't like the sweet, then you can pick this less sugar one.
This is good. All right, so now let's try the second Konbini hack.
Yep, let's try that.
Oh my God, wait, Nikki.
Wait, what? What are you doing here?
What the heck? What? This is my friend Nikki. Nice to see you. Oh my God. What the heck?
What are you guys doing?
We're doing a Konbini video.
What? I was literally just gonna go and do one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, since we're doing a bunch already, would you mind sharing one
I'll
with
go
us?
get one. All right. I'll be a sec.
Oh,
I'm back.
what
Oh,
did
there
you
we
get?
go.
This looks so good.
Just literally iced coffee and pudding.
Oh my goodness.
So the genius thing about this pudding is if I turn it over, and so basically if you push the lever, it releases the pudding.
Right.
Because obviously you're supposed to eat it upside down, right?
Yes.
Like this is a hack in and of itself.
It is a hack,
Right?
yes.
I think
Can I do the
Yes,
flip
you
switch?
can. We can.
I can't wait. Okay. We have one chance to get this right. So we're going to place it carefully over top. Ready? Oh!
Perfect.
That is so perfect.
Well
You
done.
drank the
Good
perfect
job.
amount.
Yeah.
I did.
That was
drink the
actually
perfect
perfect.
amount. It's right
So
level
do I.
with the top. That is so crazy. I was just drinking pudding. This is pudding in the straw.
Yeah.
But it's like a coffee pudding now.
Exactly.
And you get a little bit of like the chew from the pudding. It's almost kind of like a boba tea.
Yeah.
You have like
precisely.
jelly or
Yeah.
tapioca in the bottom. It's that sort of vibe. Well, thank you so much for taking the
So
time.
nice.
Nice to see you.
Nice so random.
Thank you for sharing.
Enjoy the
this.
coffee.
See you. Bye. Thank you. That is so sweet of her. Now it's actually time for Ryo's second hack. So it'll involve this coolish, vanilla coolish, and this chocolate chip bread. It looks really tasty.
It's really good as it is, but it's a good combination with the ice cream. This is actually my lunch break sweet. So, yep.
It's quick and easy. Really, really good idea.
Yep.
That is definitely a recommend. There's chocolate cream on the inside that's really fluffy, and there's also little crunchy bites of chocolate chips. And the bread is super fluffy, and the ice cream makes it nice and cold.
Exactly.
Very tasty and so easy to do. These were both so good. I actually especially loved the coolish chocolate sandwich.
Right, yeah.
That's definitely a personal favorite right now, but I will try all of them again.
Please.
So thanks for introducing, but we
My
have
pleasure.
another convenience store to hit up next,
Yes.
right? Okay, so our next stop is
Family Mart. Yep.
Let's do it. We're hitting up the big three.
Let's go.
Let's go to Family Mart. Yay.
There we go.
Here we are. So this is our last stop, Family Mart. Anata no Konbini Family Mart. Yay! Nice.
Well, maybe probably a lot of people know already, but they produced their original clothing line brand. And also, everybody knows about Famichiki. It's from the Family Mart.
That's right. Famichiki, Family Mart, fried chicken. Do you have a couple of hacks that we can have today?
Of course.
Okay.
I'll show you some.
I can't wait. Let's go inside. Let's also take a look at those socks. But let's
Oh, yeah,
also
yeah,
get,
that's
let's
true.
get some socks. Okay, so we have our ingredients for the first hack. What do you propose that we do?
Well, you're gonna have egg sando, and you get hash brown, and then the famichiki.
Ooh.
I'm gonna put these meat into the sando all together.
That sounds like you can't go wrong with that combo.
Well, I think probably the people know already about a famichiki with egg sando, but extra hash brown into the sandwiches would be great.
I think that'll definitely elevate the experience. Perfect. So there was a sudden rain. It just suddenly started raining out of nowhere. It was not in the forecast. There's so much rain dripping off the umbrella. But here's what's going on now. We have the egg sandwich with the hash brown on top, and now we'll put the famichiki. Legitimately, when you put everything together, it looks like a fantastic sandwich. So I've never combined this before. I'm really excited to see how it tastes.
All you need is like a big bite. Come on.
This is gonna be a bit hard to eat. I'm gonna do my best. Hold on a second. That is way better than I was even expecting.
Oh yeah?
The potato is a really good addition. It has a different kind of crispness.
Yeah.
And the chicken is really tender and juicy with a little bit of spicy, peppery flavor. The egg salad sandwich, the egg salad is really creamy. This is a really good hack.
And especially if you don't have any time to having lunch during your trip, this is the best, quick lunch at the Family Mart.
Absolutely. And it makes the egg salad sandwich so much more filling.
Exactly. And it makes you really full.
Really, really good.
Oh yeah, this one. This is what I'm talking about.
So good. Once you start, you can't stop eating it. It's addictive. Okay, so hack number 2. What do we have here?
I have afternoon tea, royal milk tea, frappe.
Frappe. So this is it's in the frozen section, and then you kind of squish it and melt it up, and then you put it in the coffee machine. And you can choose the frappe button, and it'll add some milk and turn it into a frappe drink. And then we also got this coffee jelly.
Yep.
And so we're gonna put this in here?
Exactly, just to put on the top and then mix it up.
So let's put this in. Okay, I'm mixing it up and breaking up the coffee jelly at the bottom.
The bottom.
It's starting to look really good. I'm so excited. Let's try. Itadakimasu.
お願いします。
That's a perfect combo. The tea flavor and the creaminess is really nice. You get this wonderful tea, like Earl Grey type of flavor, and then you get this addition of coffee flavor and texture, like chewy texture from the jelly. Also, sorry, I want to look at the ingredients because I feel like I'm getting chunks of cookie. There's little cookie chunks in here.
Now it's magic.
What? Oh, I'm getting so much coffee jelly. Ah.
Yeah. It's like cookie.
Yes.
Inside is like gives extra texture.
Yes.
And it's really good.
Love it. This is a fantastic hack. Well, thank you for taking me around today and introducing me to a whole new world of convenience store delicious goodness. I think convenience stores are fun on their own because they always come up with new seasonal flavors and things like that. But it's even more fun when you start to get creative with it. So that's the next level.
It's kind of like a life work for local people to finding own hacks.
Oh!
So every day produce a new product, we try as it is. And then after that, we try to think how we can, make it like taste better or like another level. Even my coworkers, they have their own tricks and hacks. And so every time we gotta go to the office or studio, then I see the people doing their original hacks and I ask them how you do it. And then we share.
Whoa! Share the ideas, share the love. So now we're sharing some of these ideas with you.
Oh, yeah.
Amazing. And if you guys are interested in joining a convenience store tour with Ryo, you can learn even more hacks from him.
Oh, I have more than 50 hacks now. So I can share it all.
That's a lot.
On my tour.
I learned a few today, but it seems like there's a lot more. So if you guys are interested, the tours that Ryo does will be on the screen, on the QR code, and in the description down below. So please check those out. And I hope you guys enjoyed learning about convenience store hacks with me.
Thank you for today.
Thank you. Try them out next time you guys are in Japan as well. And don't forget to comment what your favorite hack was today in this video. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys very soon in another video. Bye. See you.
You want another hack too?
Let's do another one. Let's do it. I'm ready for round 2. If you enjoyed this video, click the photos on the left for more, and click the one on the right to learn more about byFood and book your own Japan adventures.